Hey guys, welcome back to Facebook Keto Kitchen where we make keto delicious. So today I decided we're going to make some Hot Pockets. We're going to do pepperoni and cheese and one plain cheese one for my daughter because she doesn't like pepperonis. But this is a super easy recipe to make. It's on our website, but it's under the spanakopita, I believe, on a website, which is more of a Greek type of Hot Pocket per se. Anyway, we're going to make some regular Hot Pockets, and here are the ingredients, and I'll put a link below, of course, you guys, on how to make it. What you'll need is like 1 3/4 cup of shredded mozzarella and 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. And what I did with that, I melted it in the microwave for like a minute or a minute and 30 seconds. Got it nice and creamy, and I got it really stirred up. Then you'll need 1 egg plus 1 egg for egg wash. You'll also need a cup of almond flour. You'll need a little bit of almond flour just like as a bench flour so that you can get everything rolled out pretty much. And then you'll need your ingredients you want to put inside. Now with this recipe, it's so versatile, guys. You can make it into like a breakfast Hot Pocket with some already cooked scrambled eggs, a little bit of sausage or bacon, and put that in it. So super simple, versatile, you'll love it, okay? And let me know if you ever made a Hot Pocket or some type of a pocket recipe. So what I'm going to do now is just add the egg in. And I like to add it in and get that beat up in there. And then I will be adding the flour, and I'll show you how to roll it out and add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so now the dough is nice and blended together. And what I did was put down a piece of parchment paper, put the dough on it, a little bit of almond flour, additional almond flour so it doesn't stick. And then I put another piece on top. So this is how I like, as you guys know, I like to roll all my doughs out. So I'm going to roll this out about maybe a 1/4 inch thick, and then into a nice rectangle, because I'm going to cut those into, or kind of rectangle square, I'm going to cut those into 4 and make the Hot Pocket. So let me get this rolled out for you. Okay guys, so I try to roll it out as even as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect, it can be rustic. So there's our giant rectangle. And what we're going to do now is cut this into 4 so we can make 4 Hot Pockets. And what I'm going to do is go over and grab the fillings. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I got our fillings. So what I'm going to use is the 1 egg wash. Remember guys, to egg wash the top so it can look shiny and get that nice brown color after you fill it. I'm using this, it's called Mazzetta tomato basil. It's really clean ingredients, guys. 96 calories. Only has tomatoes, olive oil, onions, garlic, basil, and sea salt in there. That's pretty good, so it's nice and clean. I know a lot of people like to use that Rao's R-A-I-O or R-A-O sauce, which is cool and everything. It has clean ingredients as well. But I found this one, it was like $3, actually $2.98 at my local Winco. So I mean, I'm not going to pay a lot for my sauce, and this is a big jar. So you know, but if you like that other brand, kudos. Let me know if you ever tried this brand though, okay? And also I have a few pepperonis in there because I'm going to make 2 pepperoni, 2 cheese, and some mozzarella cheese, or whatever cheese of choice, guys. So let's cut it in 4, and I'm just going to kind of guesstimate. It's not going to be perfect, so hey, but it's not all about perfection. It's about just cooking and enjoying it. And then what I'm going to do is each square I'm going to fill. So what I'll do is take a little bit of sauce. Maybe about, you don't want it too big, so you want to kind of put the sauce not really in the center, but at one of the ends, because you're going to fold it over, okay? All right, now I'm going to fold it to show you how it works, guys. What you're going to do is take a little bit of that egg wash and go around the edges of it so it can close properly, and it'll seal it. So that's what the egg wash is good for. So let me just go around each one real fast. And see, you want to leave space around it so that you can seal it. It will expand anyway, so that's why I say you want to pile, kind of like have all your ingredients piled in the center. And you can put more than just this ingredient, like more other ingredients and fill it more. But I just find when I only put like maybe 1.5 tablespoons of the sauce, and the dry ingredients on top is about 1.5 tablespoons, kind of works better. But you know, experiment with it, guys. You can make a giant calzone if you want with this. So we're just going to call it Hot Pockets, or I guess calzones you can. So what you're going to do is take it and just fold it over and seal each end. You can spread it. This is very pliable, So that's what you're gonna do like that. And then you can pull it back away so that you can control it like that. Then what you can do is take it and kind of like fold it, make little folds, fold, just to make it a little more fancy. You can fold it like that. You don't have to do it this way. I just like doing it this way, just to get it tucked under. Again, it's pliable, so you can tuck it like that. Fold, fold, tuck it, fold. Ooh, it's being really ornery today, sticky, but that's okay. I'm gonna put some of that there because I see I poked a little hole in there. That's okay. Once again, it's cooking. Nothing's going to be perfect. Go around it. My hands are kind of sticky. Probably need a little bit more flour on that. I'm gonna fold it like that. And let's try another one. Let me get a napkin, guys. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay. My hands, I got really sticky with that one. So you got the one, and what you're gonna do is place it on a clean board. You're gonna place it on one of these. So you can place it on a sheet that's lined with some parchment paper. Let's fold another one. Seal it. You can fold them all and seal them to get them ready. And see how some of it, even if it has extra here, you can literally pull off the extra and bring it over here. That's the cool part about this dough. It's very pliable. See? So you can make it even. Let's get this one over here and start rolling that one. Let's get this. Fold that over, get it prepped, because it's going to seal itself. Right there. See, that one has a little hole, but the good part about it is you can squeeze it and seal it. Look at that. See? And then once you egg wash it anyway, it's gonna seal it. So that's really the cool part. So, see that? So now that we have our pockets set, you can either roll it, you can, let me show you, you can crimp them, you can just use a fork and just kind of like mash it and crimp it. You know, you can roll like that. There's all kinds of ways to do it, guys. The whole point is trying to make sure you get it sealed. So you can make it fancy. If it's just for family, make it rustic. It's gonna be delicious either way. See that? Okay. It's not so fancy, but you know, this is something else also that kids can do. All right, guys, so I'm about to egg wash it. And you know what I just realized after I close them? I don't know which one is the pepperoni and which one is the plain. And usually I would crimp them differently so I can recognize the difference, like with the fork for the pepperoni one and with the other one just roll it. So just make sure you know what you're doing. That way you don't give somebody who does not like pepperoni a spicy pepperoni one, okay? So just FYI, don't just do what I just did. Yeah, so just make sure you differentiate which one is which. So I'm gonna put a little bit of egg wash on it, put it on the oven for 350 degrees, and we're gonna bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. First, check it on the 15-minute mark to see if it's completely brown, and the dough will be puffed up and nice and golden brown when you know it's done. So I'll be right back when it's done, all right? All right, guys, so our Hot Pockets are all ready. Look at that, gorgeous. They look so good, guys. I just sprinkled a little bit of paprika, no, that's not paprika. I sprinkle a little bit of oregano on top, or you can use parsley just to make it fancy looking. And it's super hot right now, so I'm gonna put that down. I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside, okay? Let me just let's take this one. I don't know why, I could've just took the one on top. I don't know if it's pepperoni or if it's all cheese because I didn't mark them to identify them. So don't forget to do that, guys. So make them different. Unless you're just making all the same kind. So I'll put it on my little plate and I'm gonna cut it open. See how this baby look inside. Let's see. Ooh, okay, so look at that. That one is a pepperoni one. It smells so good, guys. It just smells like pizza. So, I'm gonna try it. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Sorry. That is really good. And it had that mozzarella string effect, which I love. So good, so light. Tastes better than a regular Hot Pocket, of course, because it's all homemade, and it's just delicious. And it's keto friendly, guys. That's the key, because it's not made with any type of flour that's gonna affect your diet. So with that being said, I'm sure I got cheese all over my face. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, guys, and become a part of the family. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of the videos. Definitely hit that bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a new video. So I'm Rosemary. I'm going to finish chowing down on this, and we will talk to you guys soon. And let me know in the comments below if you do make this Hot Pocket and if you have variations that you'll hook it up with. Comment below, okay, guys? I love you guys, and we'll talk soon. Bye. God bless.